Hi everybody, it's Judy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching the Morphe 18B eyeshadow palette. This is their Making Bank eyeshadow palette, and I'm guessing the greens. And I'm guessing that green color story inspired the name, or the name inspired the green color story. Either way, it is a navy green color story eyeshadow palette. It's actually one of my favorite Morphe eyeshadow palettes. This one actually surprised me. The formulation was really beautiful when I did use it on my eyes, and I loved every single shade that I did use. I believe this palette is still available on the Morphe website, but from what I could see, it was in a new type packaging. It has a really nice green packaging and a kind of relaunch of a new collection that they made. So you can still get it, but it will have different packaging. The shades, however, are still the same. So that's what it looks like on the inside. The names are on this little plastic thingy that does come out, which not really excited about that format of the shade names being on something that you remove, because you can't tell what they are in the pans once you remove this. But anyway, that's first world problems. It doesn't really matter. The video that I do have on my channel creating a makeup look from this palette, I will leave it linked down below. But in today's video, all I'm gonna do is swatch this palette for you. So let's do that. Please like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's jump into the swatches, okay? Okay. So there you go, you guys. Swatches from the Morphe 18B Make and Bank Eyeshadow Artistry Palette. This palette is so beautiful. It's very rare that you find, or I find, an eyeshadow palette where I feel like every single shade is perfect. And this is one of them. Like I said at the beginning, this palette absolutely surprised me. Every shade is stunning and beautiful, and I feel like this palette was very, very well thought out. I don't know if they changed their formulation with these particular eyeshadows in this specific eyeshadow palette, or if they just changed their formulation overall, or what it is with this palette, but I feel like this particular one is special. I really, really like it. It surprised me a lot. I haven't really bought any palettes from Morphe recently. This is one of the more recent palettes that I've bought from them, but before I got this one, I hadn't really been keeping up with the latest releases from Morphe. So when I bought this one, I wasn't really expecting a lot, because a lot of the palettes that I have from Morphe are a lot of the older ones. But when I got this one and used it, oh my goodness, it really surprised me, and I actually genuinely love this one so much. And the colors, the shimmers, the shades, the formulation, absolutely perfect. Beautiful. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you all in my next one. Bye!